Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag / what fits in my Chanel boy bag. This is in the new medium or the large size. This is caviar leather with ruthenium hardware. I love doing what's in my bag videos because I find them to be helpful. If you are thinking of a specific bag, it's great to see if it will fit all of your essentials before you invest. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. Okay, so here's the bag. First, I'm going to show you what I currently have inside, and then I will show you some options of what fits inside. And please let me know if you would like to see a review for this bag. I'm thinking of doing one for my Chanel Maxi, but I can totally do one for this one as well. So inside, I have it pretty full. On top right here, I have my phone, which is the iPhone 12. I have my wallet, which is the Recto Verso wallet from Louis Vuitton. It is good as a downsized wallet. I love this. I have my key clay from Louis Vuitton in the monogram canvas. In here I keep my ID, my most used debit card, anything pertaining to my car like insurance cards, things like that. And then I have my key fob attached and this pink mace. I always keep a backup mask. So this one is from Amazon. I love that they are individually wrapped and also that it's cheetah. It's super cute. I will link all my Amazon items down below. And then I have my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton in the monogram canvas. I'm using this currently as my catch-all in this bag. I think it's the perfect size and it doesn't take up too much room. Here I just have a pack of gum. I have a Too Faced lipstick in Doll Face. It's a really pretty nude color. I have a House of Lashes eyelash glue just in case I have to reapply my eyelashes. I have a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude. This is like literally my favorite lip liner. I need to get another one. I have this MAC and Aaliyah collab lip gloss, which I've really been enjoying. I'm sad that it was limited edition, but it's called Brooklyn Born, and it's like a very sparkly kind of gold nude, like gold iridescent nude. Then I have this Dove hand sanitizer. If you like their body wash in the deep moisture scent, then you'll love this. It smells so good. I need to get another one. I have this L'Occitane hand cream, which I really love. It's very moisturizing. The last thing in here is this lash applicator that I got off of Amazon. It's kind of hard to see, but in the bag you get this front slip pocket, which I don't keep anything in here. I think maybe you could fit like a card holder or something pretty small. Sorry, I don't have a card holder to show you, but I think that would be a good option for this front slip pocket. But in this back zipper pocket, I keep my battery pack or my external charger, and I really like this one. It's from Amazon as well. Really great. You can plug it into the wall. You can plug other USB cords into it. And I just love this. So it is essential if you're going out and your phone dies. You don't want that to happen. You need this. I will link it down below. That is everything that is currently in the bag. And I do want to give you some options of things that can fit inside. So this is the Zippy wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is 7.7 in length, 4.1 in height, and then an inch in width. This does fit perfectly inside this bag, but you are compromising a lot of room. This basically takes up the whole bag, so I guess if you really want to use this, just be mindful that it does take up a lot of room. So you can fit your external battery as well in here, still fit your phone. You can just put your key clay in here. It does fit, but everything is very snug. So I recommend with this bag using either a downsized wallet like the Recto Verso or a card holder, or using the key clay as your wallet. I do want to show you that I also have the Toiletry 15, and this does fit. You can either stand it up or lay it down in here, and it does take up a lot of room, but if you use like a thinner wallet like this, you can put that in, you can put your phone, you can put your keys either on top, but I just want you guys to be mindful that there is an opening right here, so just be careful that you're not putting anything on the top that could possibly fall out. If you're not into using cases like the mini pochette or a toiletry 15 or any catch-alls, then you can just have your items loose. I don't do that because I don't want anything like a hand sanitizer leaking, but you can totally do that if a catch-all is not your thing. But I do want to show you that a sunglasses case, this is the Key Australia, I think these are called High Key. They do fit as well. You do compromise some room as well, but they do fit just in case. But usually when I'm using this bag, it's either at night and I don't need sunglasses, or it's during the day and I'll just like wear them the whole time, or just leave it on my head, but they do fit in here. So this bag does fit a lot. It does give on the sides as well, so don't be afraid of that. I know some people don't want to stretch out their Chanel bags, but I use my bags, so I really don't care. I want to fit not too much, but I would like to still keep my essentials in the bag and make it great for everyday use. I think this is a great everyday bag. I've been using it literally every single day, but I will do a further in-depth review if you guys would like, so please let me know down below. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.